Amazon has released some new badges that may help your business get more clicks and more sales on Amazon. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. I'm going to walk you through this. So I got this email today. Amazon has changed. Business customers now looking to diversify their purchases. So the call out here is business customers, and they show how you can add certificates. Well, when you click that, it comes up with a help file. You do have to log in. I have my little ad blocker here preventing that. And in here, it shows you all these certificates you can do. You can upload certificates, get certified, and there's basically 4 different areas that they're looking at. And it's Black-owned businesses, 889 representation, which is like National Defense Authorization Act, registered small business. I actually have this badge myself. I'll show you one of my listings. And then minority-owned business. So I'm not going to qualify for the right or the left one, but you might. And if you do, I absolutely would try and get those badges onto your listings, because anything that can set you apart and really zone into your target demographic, or somebody that this will represent their views, it's just like a pride thing. It's going to increase some sales, right? All right, so how do you go about doing this? Well, you're either going to have to provide some certification or go to these particular locations where you're going to get certified. And there's various different government agencies, so sam.gov or certify.sba.gov in some of these particular instances. Or you got to go to acquisition.gov for the 889 representation. But let me show you what it looks like. Here's some search results where I've typed my own brand name, Age of Sage, and right here, see that small business badge. You can click the drop down and learn more about it. So that was kind of cool. There is a particular way that we got applied and approved for small business without having to go through the government documentation. We just filed a ticket and got it to go through. I'll link to that video right here. You can check that out. And then if you go to my listing, let's say you're in my local area, I live in Atlanta, you can also see the local business tag. This is separate from any of the other tags we've talked about. And that, of course, everybody loves to support local as well. So we're seeing some of these badges show up. We know that Amazon has a very powerful way of getting people to click on things. Amazon's Choice badges is another one. Here's the Amazon's Choice badge, where I've got it for incense, which is really, really cool to have an Amazon's Choice for that. Other great badges you can get is to be at the top of a category and get the rank, as well as like be the first to be a bestseller or new release badge. Those are also very helpful. But if we go click on like the incense list here and click on the first one, we should see, yep, there it is, #1 bestseller. So those are badges that show up on the detail page as well as the search result, but there's only a finite number of bestsellers on Amazon. And so this is why I think they're opening it up to get more and more people who can get different categorization or additional badging that shows up. Now, the one thing that I speculate with them, since the email did call out, this is more of a business-to-business play. So I don't know. I mean, I think these will show up to consumers logging into their own accounts. And I believe I have seen some of these badges show up on Amazon.com, even though I don't log into a business account myself. But, you know, it's a new program, so all bets are off. Who knows what's going to happen? So give that a whirl. Let me know how that experience goes for you. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy, and we release videos on any topic on Amazon to grow the sales or troubleshoot catalog things, breaking news, and how to get into every single program. So slam that subscribe button.